So guys, finally it is time for Mumbai to Kanyakumari. So this is Lifestealer, this is his awesome Himalayan. Right now it is around 5:30 p.m. 5:30 a.m. sorry, right? So yeah, we are leaving. We are at this Lokmat stop near Popar Karyana station, right? Yeah. So we are leaving for Bangalore. We will be staying in Bangalore. This is the luggage and these are the bags. Thank you, Biker 390. Right, let's go. Yeah, so guys, we have left for Bangalore. Bangalore is around 1000 kilometers and right now it is 5:43 on this KTM, cockpit. And yes, so far so good. The weather seems to be awesome. I am with all my gears. I'm feeling like Iron Man or something. Okay, so now we have reached Kalamoli McDonald's, this place. And straight is Mumbai-Pune Express Highway, so obviously we are not allowed to go there through bikes. So we are taking our usual route for Lonavala. Nothing new in that. Alright guys, so right now in Lonavala, this is the Mumbai-Pune Express Highway, and yes, early morning in Lonavala, man. Feels good. I expected it to be more cold, but it is not. I don't know if I'm wearing gear, that is the reason I'm feeling hot, but it is not that hot. It is pleasant. That is the morning sun. Woo!
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Alright, so we are after Pune, after the tunnel towards Satara, and we have stopped here for some food. We didn't had anything in the morning, so we'll have something here and then we'll leave. So we stopped here for fuel break, and also I had to remove my pants winter liner. So yeah, we did that. Now we are full with the tank. Now no stopping probably till Kolhapur, so let's see.
Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground.
Okay, so we have crossed Satara some 15-20 minutes ago. Now I guess Kolhapur is 130 kilometers and still it is a little bit cold, so I'm feeling very sleepy, but that's fine, it is bearable. We are going Kanyakumari. You are from Goa, Pune? So you have a channel or what? All the best. Yeah. So this road goes to Pandharpur, and this road is Karad. Actually we are in Karad, and more 90 kilometers to go for Kolhapur. And you can see everywhere there is sugar cane. Everywhere there is sugar cane. And yes, I am still sleepy.
But gravity pulls you straight down.
Alright, so now we are after Karad. This way is Karad and this way is Kolhapur. 70 kilometers to go for Kolhapur. And we were having just, pee break and, water break and all. So almost 690 kilometers more to go for Bangalore. and now it is getting hotter and it is getting stressful. Now अभी असली जर्नी अभी शुरू हुई भाई, अब तक तो ट्रेलर था. So we have met our subscriber.
Hello, Rahul.
He is Rahul. He stays in Kolhapur and he's in 12th, right?
Yeah.
So he waited for us. कहाँ मिले थे?
कराट कट होगा ना आने के पहले पेट कोल्हापुर एंटर होने के बाद.
अच्छा.
वहाँ पे था, रिफिल करना था आपको, देखा इसलिए आपके अभी पीछे.
Okay, so that was so sweet of us. So we have reached Nippani. This is the Nippani town, and we have stopped because he is tying his scarf properly. And yes, we are moving at a faster rate now because we need to cover distance faster. Bangalore is more 550 kilometers. So guys, this is the right turn for Goa. This one, Hotel Goa West. So remember this point, Hotel Goa West, and you will have that small gully going inside to Goa through Amboli.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
So right now in Hubli, because okay, so Dharwad to Hubli, exact 30 kilometers, single road. Okay, thank God, double road starts again. The single road was not that bad. The only problem was that you need to overtake a lot of vehicles, and that is dangerous. That's it. So guys, we have reached 300 kilometers before Bangalore. So this is the hotel, and these are the bikes. Yeah. And here is life stealer dosa. And I'm waiting for my puri bhaji. Okay guys, so somewhere around 300 kilometers before Bangalore, and actually we were quite bored from Hubli till the hotel where we had breakfast. It was really boring, but after having breakfast we gained some energy, and now it is like, okay, fine, no problem. Okay, so some 230 kilometers more for Bangalore, and till now I have completed 752 kilometers from Mumbai. I have set a record, I guess. The longest ride I have done till now is this, at this point. I did do Udaipur, but I guess it was around 700 or something. Record is set. खुद का record, हाँ, खुद का record, किसी और का नहीं. Competition नहीं करना है, खुद के लिए करना है.
When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
हिंदी नहीं आता है, फिर कैसे समझेगा? फिर अभी बात किया तो इंग्लिश. So we have stopped there for fuel break. More 200 kilometers to go for Bangalore. Right now it is how much? कितने बजले? Almost 7 in the evening. So we thought we would reach by 8 or 9, but now we will reach by 10 as per Google Maps. So let's see. The road is really good, but we are tired little bit. पहली बार जा रहे हैं ना इतना लंबा. Climbing the bike after so much of stress is a pain in the ass and the thighs. So surprisingly, I'm not so much tired as I thought I would be. Okay, he's angry on me. Okay, these dogs are angry on me. These dogs are angry on me.
रेस सांसों की, रेस चाहत की, रेस धड़कन की, my heart is racing on.
Anyways, so what I'm talking was that I'm not so much tired, surprisingly. As I was on my first ride, that is Udaipur ride, I was hell tired in 800 kilometers. Then in Ahmedabad ride also I was a little bit tired, but today it is like 900 kilometers and I'm not that much tired. So yeah, stamina is increasing. Yeah.
You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
So don't guess what I'm doing right now, but we are 60 kilometers before Bangalore, and yeah, it is not easy, guys. It's been more than 14 hours we are riding, guys. It is not easy. Phew. So it is my first 1000 kilometers ride. There's a train going. Can you see that? I doubt you can see that. So life stealer, कैसा लग रहा है? He's sitting on a comfortable bike. और तो 3000 बाकी है. Alright, so we are at this Navayuga Bangalore toll plaza and it is pretty cold out here. Right now it is 9 o'clock. Pleasant atmosphere, very very nice. Of course Mumbai वालों को तो अच्छा लगेगा. Mumbai is full of heat and humidity. So Bangalore, first time आया हूँ. स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा? So we are taking this nice road. I don't know what is nice road. Maybe it is like outer ring road for Bangalore. So if you know, please comment down below. Let me know. We are going to my friend, the Himalayan guy. At his friend's house, he's staying there. So we'll be staying there tonight. We have to pay toll for bike as well, I guess. आदत नहीं है ना यार, तो थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगता है टोल देना बाइक पे. बट ओ KTM, E-City KTM. So I believe we are in electronic city, right?
Okay, so guys, this was our journey from Mumbai to Bangalore. Now the main fun starts from here. So don't forget to like and share this vlog and subscribe for upcoming videos of this incredible journey which I call Taste of South India. And if you haven't watched the trailer of this ride yet, go ahead and watch it. There's a link in the description as well. I'm staying at Prashant's friend's place tonight. From tomorrow, Prashant will join us from Bangalore till the end of this ride. So the next part of this ride would be from Bangalore to Trichy to Rameshwaram, and trust me guys, it would be worth it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Comment down below if you have anything to say. I will see you in the next vlog of this incredible series. Till then, peace out.